Keep going.
It's just on the other side of those trees. I don't know if it's cutting back or not in the occlusion.
All right, stop.
You see it?
Oh man.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Ben. Wow. Right here, it's getting ready to cross the road right in front of us. There's the leading edge, man, right there on the road.
Calm down.
Look at the vortices in the field.
I know.
I can't believe this, man.
Holy shit,
wow.
dude.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's pulling trees apart right there in front of us. Big debris.
There's shingles being ripped off these houses.
These houses just got hit.
Oh no.
To your left, a roof just came off the house.
Hold on, Bart. Slow down. It's right here. Bart, stop.
No, it's right there to the left. I just saw it pull a roof off the building. This is all RFD.
All right, keep going.
Look at your power lines down.
Hey, look at, oh shit.
Hey dude, it tore that building up bad. Power flash is right in front of us.
Oh man.